Hello everyone, welcome today in the daily newspaper on Tuesday, July the 21st, 2020. We have here only one regular Sudoku, a medium Sudoku. There is also in this newspaper extra Sudokus in additional, but we will start with this one. And this one, let me see. This one will be number one. This Sudoku will be number 1194. Yes, 1194. All right. And before I start, I always count the printed numbers. How many printed numbers are in this Sudoku? 2, 5, plus 5 is 10, 14, 17, 18, plus 3 is 21, 23, plus 3 is 26. 26 printed numbers. If you compare with the 1 star, 2 stars, 3 stars, 4 stars, this is a 2 stars Sudoku. The 1 star has 27, 2 stars 26, 3 stars 25. Alright, so let's get started. A3 in this row, A3 in the second row. So in the third row, the only 2 places for the 3 should be here or there. We see here 3, no 3 there, 3 should be there. 9 in this row, 9 in the second row. So in the third row, the only place for the 9 should be there. And then let me see the 4. The 4 in the last row, the 4 in the row above. So in that row, the only place for the 4 should be here. 4 in the last column, 4 in the column next. So in that column, the only 3 places for the 4, here, here, or there. We see here 4, no 4 there. Here are 4, no 4 there. The only place for the 4 should be there. In this column, 4 missing numbers. 2 of those missing numbers are the 6 and the 7. So the 6 and the 7 are in this big square. So no 6 and the 7 in these 2 boxes. So the 6 and the 7 goes in those 2 boxes. Let me mark them for you, 6 and the 7. That means that I cannot fill this yet. I need to wait for more information. That means these 2 boxes in this column are the numbers 2 and 2 and 8. 2 and 8. I cannot fill this yet. Need to mark them for you. How about 931? Okay. How about the 6 in this row? 6 in the last row, so in the row between. The only place for the 6 should be there. In this row, the third row, 5 missing numbers. One of the missing numbers is 4. We see here 4. So no 4 in these 2 boxes. Here are 4, no 4 in that box. Here are 4, no 4 in this box. So 1 box left for the 4 should be there. 4 in the third column, 4 in the second column. So in the first column, The only 2 places for the 4, here or there. We see here 4, no 4 there, 4 should be there. And all the 4s are used, I can see. Yes, alright. How about the number 2 in this column, 2 in the middle column, so the column next. The only 2 places for the 2 should be here or there. We see here 2, no 2 there, 2 should be there. And now I have a 2 here, so this cannot be a 2 anymore. This should be the 8, and this should be the 2. Six, 7. Alright. 3 missing numbers in the second row. Those numbers are the 1, the 6, and the 7. And look, we have a 7 here, so no 7 there. Here also a 7, no 7 there. Only place for the 7 should be here. The 6 and the 1 are left. I cannot fill this yet. Need to wait for more information. 6 and 1. 3 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers 2. We see here 2, so no 2 in these 2 boxes. 1 box left for the 2 should be there. 2 in the third column, 2 in the second column. So in the first column, the only place for a 2 should be there. 2 numbers left in the first column for the numbers 1 and 8. I cannot fill this yet. Let me mark them for you. 1 and 8. 1 in this row, 1 in that row. So in the middle row, the only place for the 1 should be here. Then 6, 8. 3 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is an 8. We see here an 8. No 8 in these 2 boxes. 1 box left for the 8 should be there. 2 boxes left. The 9 and the 6. I cannot fill this yet. 9 and 6. Let me mark them for you. 9 and the 6. That means these 2 numbers, those 2 numbers are the 1 and the 6. These 2 numbers, the 9 and the 5. Cannot fill this yet. Need to mark them again. Pair up here and here up here. 1, 8, 9, 5. So these 2 should be the 7 and the 3. 7 and the 3 are missing. We have a 7 here, no 7 there. 7 should be here and a 3 goes there. Then 2 in this row, 2 in the middle row, so in the row below, the only place for the 2 should be there. 2 in the last column, 2 in that column, so the column between, the only 2 places for the 2 here or there. We see here 2, no 2 there, 2 should be here. And all the 2s are used, I can see, yes. Alright, the 2. 6, 6, 6, 6. No. How about the number 6, 6, 7? Yes, 7 and a 6. So 1 number left should be the 8. Look, we have a 7 and a 6 in this column, 7 and a 6 in the column next. So in the last column, the only 2 places for the 7 and the 6 are these boxes. I mark them for you, so 1 box left in this big square for the number 8. So we have an 8 in this column, 8 in the column next. On the last column, only 2 places for the 8. Here or there. We see here an 8, no 8 there. 8 should be there. 3 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is a 3. We see here 3, no 3 in these 2 boxes. 1 box left for the 3 should be there. 2 boxes left now for the numbers 9 and 5. 9 and 5. We have a 5 here, no 5 there. 5 should be here and a 9 goes there. Now we have a 9 here. So this cannot be a 9 anymore. This should be the 6. And this should be the 9. 1 box left in this row for the number 7. 1 box left in this big square for the number 6. 1 box left in this column for the number 9. Now we have a 9 here. So this cannot be a 9 anymore. This should be the 5. And this should be the 9. 2 boxes left. The 1 and the 8 in this row. We have an 8 here, so no 8 there. Here should be the 1. There should be the 8. 1 box left in this big square for the number 1. 1 box left in this big square for the number 3. 3 is missing. 2 boxes left in this row. The last row for the numbers 1 and 5. We have a 1 here, no 1 there. 1 should be here and a 5 goes there. And then let me see. We have these 3 numbers. The 3 is missing, the 9 is missing, and the 8 is missing. We see here the 3 and the 9, so no 3 and the 9 in this box. 1 digit left should be the 8. The 3 and the 9 goes in these 2 boxes. 2 boxes left in this row. The 7, 6, and the 8. 7, 6, and the 8. We have an 8 here, so no 8 there. 8 should be there. The 7 and the 6 are left. Yeah, 7 and the 6. That means in this column, 7, the middle column, 7, 6, and the 5 are missing. Yes. We have a 5 here. No 5 there. 5 should be here. 7 and the 6 goes in these 2 boxes. We have a 6 here, so no 6 there. The 6 should be here. 7 goes there. Now we have a 6 here, so this cannot be a 6 anymore. This should be the 7 and this should be the 6. These 2 numbers in the second row, the 1 and the 6. We have a 6 here, so no 6 there. 6 should be here and the 1 goes there. 1 number left in this big square for the number 1. 2 numbers left in this big square for the numbers 5 and 7. We have a 5 here, no 5 there. 5 should be here and the 7 goes there. Then 2 numbers left in this row for the numbers 8 and 3, I believe. We see here an 8, no 8 there. 8 should be here and the 3 goes there. Now we have a 3 here, so this cannot be a 3 anymore. This should be a 9. This should be the 3. And the final 2 numbers of this big square for the numbers 6 and 9. We have a 6 here, no 6 there. 6 should be here and the 9 goes there. Finish in 14 minutes. Alright. Great Sudoku. Great Sudoku. You like this? Thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching. And yeah. Stay healthy. And keep on puzzling. Yes. See you soon with the extra Sudokus. So, bye-bye for now.